Those of you out there waiting for this thing to finally get moving, your time might have come here. Okay, you can see here. Looks like we possibly bottomed down here right around 50 cents. We've had a breakout of this resistance line right here, and we're going to dig back into this chart here in a second. I got a Chat GPT article to go over with you guys first. This is from ambcrypto.com. If you want to go over there and check them out, they're the ones that put this up. But he wrote here, I asked ChatGPT to analyze the performance of Matic and its price movement here. So it says it predicts a substantial price rally for Matic towards the end of 2023, but its on-chain metrics hardly concur. Goes down through on July 19th, Polygon Labs presented a proposal regarding restructuring of the governance structure for its expansion as part of the Polygon 2.0 plan. Matic surged more than 20% following the news of Ripple securing a partial victory in its legal battle with the SEC on July 13th. A group of Polygon founders and researchers recently proposed a token upgrade that would replace Matic token with POL, in a move that lets POL function as a single token for all Polygon-based networks. It also led to a modest price rise of Matic. So if we go down through here, we're not going to read the whole thing, but it says ChatGPT is confident in Polygon's ZK EVM rollup. We've covered that numerous times here. That's ChatGPT's response here. It says, overall, I believe the ZK EVM has the potential to significantly improve the scalability, interoperability, and security of the Polygon network, which could help to attract more users and use cases to the network and position it as a leading player in the DeFi ecosystem. Yeah, if we go down through here, what the AI bot thinks about Solana, we're going to cover that. We're going to go down through to the price conclusions. All right, the future of Polygon. However, ChatGPT's knowledge regarding Miden was not adequate. Therefore, its reply when asked about the possible impact of Miden on Polygon was not on par. It says here, ChatGPT predicts Matic's price action. Now here it showed confidence in Polygon's technological prowess and growing ecosystem. The winds of bullishness may blow Polygon's way in the near future, carrying it to majestic peaks. Yet, as with any investment, caution and careful analysis should be your trusted companions. Absolutely, guys. This is not financial advice, not financial advisor. Please, talk to somebody that's qualified for that stuff. It's your hard-earned money. All right. It says when I questioned the bot further, it projected Matic's price to hit $10. Nonetheless, nothing can be expected with utmost certainty, and investors are best advised to invest time in extensive research and studying expert views. All right. So that's pretty. $10. I believe that could happen for sure. I've watched this coin go from, I believe I got in at, was 2 cents or 4 cents. I get the Matic and Cardano mixed up because they were both down at them prices when I looked into them. So this thing has come a long way. Of course, when I bought it, it was just Matic. It wasn't Polygon, and they did they burnt some tokens. They did a rebranding. And changed it to Polygon there with the Matic token, but they definitely decreased the supply, the circulating supply out there. It says here, chatting with ChatGPT about Polygon and its presence in DeFi gave a clear indication that the AI chatbot was quite confident in Polygon and its future. Price action are bullish. It's on chart metrics show a dismal picture. Alright, so let's go back over the chart here and get a look at this thing, because if you go down through here, let's see what the technicals say on TradingView right now. Alright, they give a neutral on 1 day here. Moving averages are buy, the oscillators are sell. Alright, you go down through here. All the blues are buy signals, of course the reds are sell signals. That's a 20 moving average. 20 simple moving average, the exponential 30-day a 30-day simple moving average. All right, so I don't hold a lot in these things. You know, I'm not real confident in these. I believe they're lagging indicators. You know, if we go to the weekly, it's giving sell signals. That's because once this thing got listed, and once the SEC came after everything, that really put a beating on it. Okay, but like I said, I believe this thing is possibly bottomed out here. Had that break of resistance here, and this thing is just actually, it just broke out here, retested the breakout with this ABC, and it's starting on its way up. It's holding this yellow trend line, which is perfect. That's what we want to see. Let's look at the RSIs. The daily RSI is just about to the bottom. All right, that's where you want to see it. It's just about oversold. Which you want to see that when it's close to this trend line. We don't want to see it lose this trend line, okay? That's super important with this thing. As long as it's holding a trend, it's in an uptrend, all right? We got the weekly RSI. Let's see where it's at. I apologize. There we go. Looking beautiful. Perfect. Excuse me, guys. Allergy time. Horrible. Just cut the grass, and shouldn't have done that. Took my allergy pill, but takes a while to kick in, unfortunately. We got the weekly heading up at a 46 and a 32, looking absolutely perfect. All right, we got the 12-hour on the floor. Looks great. 8-hour. Same news, heading up. So the technicals are looking good for this thing as far as the daily and the weekly. You know, you see Bitcoin over there having it's regained $30,000, which is massive. It's gone sideways in here for such a long time now. All right, consolidating. And if we zoom in here, this on the 8-hour chart, you can see a breakout, a retest, and this thing's finally starting to move. Got the 8-hour heading up, the 12-hour also heading up right down here, bullish, and we got the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Look at that daily, just starting out. The weekly looks great, and the monthly, of course, looks fantastic. And there's only been 4 times in Bitcoin's history the monthly's been at the top. All right, back here, 2017 bull run was the top, 2019 retrace was the top, 2021 bull run was the top, and here we come in for the 2023. I believe it's a retrace. I believe Bitcoin's heading to 48,000. Then we're going to come down and consolidate until next year, and then we'll have our bull run. So that's what I believe is going to happen with this thing. Everybody's got their own opinion, though. So let's go over to Matic again here. All right, this thing, geez, man, had a high at $2.92 there. All right, it's been a little bit of a beat down to 75 cents. Not as horrible as you can see, though. Geez, a lot of coins that went to $3. Have gone a lot lower. So we're holding trend here. We got our ABC correction right back down to support at 0.717 right here, this line here. And it's held it beautifully. Came right down there, got a bounce off it. I believe this thing's really going to start pushing here pretty soon. Let's put a 4-hour, you can see a resistance line. Let's put one on here and keep track of this thing. Yeah, just starting to get a breakout of that resistance line. So, great to see. Yeah, just poked its head out. Looks like it's doing a retest. Let's put it on the hourly. There you go. Perfect. What a great long position right there. And if you're interested in doing stuff like that, there's a link for MEXC in the description of the video. You can go over there and receive up to $1,000 in rebates and stuff. And I'd appreciate it if you use the link. And also, there's a link in the description of the video to join the channel. It's $2.99 a month. Every bit of support would be great. So if that's something you can do, that would be fantastic. Don't make a whole lot, I'm just a little YouTuber, so these videos, quite honestly, don't make a lot at all. Yesterday I made $3 off YouTube, so just one membership would would pay more than that. So if it's something you're interested, guys. If not, no big deal. I'm going to keep doing these videos. I enjoy doing them. Made a lot of good friends out there, so they're fun for me. But you can see the support line right through here that the thing's coming back to right there. Bounced right off it. So I would expect Matic to really start moving here, especially if Bitcoin starts moving, right? That first resistance area is right up there at 0.7678. If we manage to bust through that, then we're heading up to 77, 78 cents up here. And just a breakout of that resistance period. If we zoom back out here, that resistance started where right back here, July 14th roughly, right here. That downtrend. Now we've broken out of it. So hopefully we're heading up these higher areas, that 88, 86. We'll see. We'll see once this thing starts going. We'll see where the RSIs are at. But right now we got that daily RSI, like I said, just about to the bottom. And we got that weekly looking beautiful. So expect some moves out of this thing. I'm expecting, just a retrace of this big move here. You'd expect it to get back to at least the 618 or 702. So the 618 is up at $1.01. The 702 is up at $1.12. So I'm expecting at least a bounce up to there, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So, all right, guys, thank you so very, very much. I hope you have a great day out there. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.